on YouTube? It's the Crypto Joker, aka Alex Cooper, and today we have something new for you guys. Today we are going to be talking about Capital Limpid. This is one of those investment funds that I've been following for a very long time. We see a lot of investment firms in the crypto space, but a lot of things that they actually end up lacking is a lack of professionals, a lack of expertise, and quite frankly, a lack of returns. This has been a problem for a long time in crypto. So when I see a solid investment company, it's my duty to bring it to the subscribers. You guys know how it works. I see something I like, I see something that I've been interested in for a very long time, that I've been looking into for a very long time, I bring it to you guys, the subscribers. So let's get straight to it. Today we're talking about Capital Limpid. As I said, they are an investment company. We're just going to watch a quick video on them before we actually get the ball rolling, just to give us a little idea. So we'll be right back after the video, guys.
Hello, my name is Jonathan Stoke. I'm the founder of Limpid Capital. I'm pleased to welcome you to our updated online investment platform. My team and I, each representative of which is a high-class professional, have come a long way, from a small group of private investors to the level of a large international company providing trust management and venture investment services. To date, we have achieved excellent results, taking a leading position in the market. And are not going to stop there. We are in a constant search for new solutions, continue to actively improve and develop in various highly profitable areas. Soon, we will present you our cool products in such areas as automated algorithmic trading in the forex market and the cryptocurrency market, and of course, sports arbitration betting, the work of which you can evaluate in practice yourself. In our global plans, we are constantly expanding our geographical presence in various parts of the world. In the near future, we expect official registration in the Russian Federation and the opening of a representative office in Moscow. The next step of our strategy will be to enter the market of the Asian region and acquire official status of a company with registration in Hong Kong. Then, our path lies across the ocean with the aim of gaining official status in the United States of America and opening a representative office in the very center of the financial life of this continent, in New York. All this is just a small part of the global development plan for the next few years. Stay tuned and take advantage of unlimited earning opportunities. Yours, Jonathan Stoke.
Did you guys just see that video? Did you guys just see the man himself, Jonathan Stoke, talk about the development plans he has for this investment company? Guys, let's be real here. To expand to that extent, talking about going into Hong Kong, going into the heart of the Big Apple, New York, you have to be making a lot of money. You have to be getting exponential returns for reoccurring business from all of your clients. So that's exactly what Limpid Capital does. Guys, these are some indicators that I like to see because I've been in the crypto space a very long time. A lot of these scammy, weird type of projects, they don't have offices. It's just some guy in the basement. You know how it goes. Did you see that guy's office? Capital Limpid in the back. For God's sakes, he has his own coffee cup. He has everything Limpid. That just shows you the extent of how big these guys are. Let's get straight into it, guys. So let's talk about what the company is. We talked about a very developed team that they have. It's talking about how they have a team of professionals, how they allow their customers to increase their capital, get extensive earnings. They mentioned a couple methods they use: investing in different cryptocurrencies, investing in different arbitrage opportunities. They work with financial assets, and they have a bunch of algos put together to be able to get this type of profit for you. So let me get into it on why I think they're the best company to invest in this field. A lot of different companies, they give you platforms that you could trade on. Why would you do that? You guys are doing what you're doing, living your life, doing what you're doing, and you guys are into this most likely because you want a nice income. Limpid tells you they could handle all of that for you. You just sit back, enjoy your life, and they will keep kicking back exponential profits to you that he mentioned earlier on. The fact that they're able to expand like this is because they're able to touch these types of profits. We're going to be getting into that later on. We're going to be talking about what type of programs they have. Just look at everything they've done in 1 year. In 1 year, these guys are able to be getting all different registrations in different countries that we're going to be talking about later on in this video. They've been around for 375 days now. They have a day counter that actually goes through everything they've done, and it's just talking about the development. So all the way back from where they actually started, you see all the things that they've accomplished. They were able to get an office in the UK and in Moscow, so it's unreal to see that they're able to expand into these countries, open physical locations, not just a online shop. They have physical locations that you can actually visit, that you can actually go to. You see here that they've received the official registration in Russian Federation, very huge market out in Russia, and the fact they're able to get these registrations, let me tell you guys, there's a lot of due diligence done into these registrations. So for these countries to be giving them, these guys are legit. These guys are very legit. So it's just talking about, not only do they provide earning opportunities, if you want to train, if you want to learn, they also offer that. Here are a couple investments they have. They return 24% per month on these investments. 24% per month compounded, guys. Yes, you heard me correctly. Compounded. You see the shambles the stock market's in right now. Even on a good year, gives you maybe 15% on the whole year, and that's probably the best year in the last decade. These guys give you 24% in 1 month if you go in the investment type of region, which I strongly recommend. You can also invest in startups, trading advisors, bookmakers. This is all guys that all the things that they have available. After you invest $300, you can get a free Forex expert advisor for trading. This gives you an additional 10% per month on the machine as soon as you get a crypto robot. So this is something I strongly recommend. It's only small type of sample of $300. They have their own bookmakers and other huge things coming up very shortly. Why successful investors choose Limpid Capital? The fact that they're offering 24% per month is very awesome, and it's passive. As I said, you guys can live your lives, you guys can kick back, and they will give you that return month after month after month compounded. They have activity reports, tell you exactly where the money's going, what they're up to. They have constant introduction of startups from the company. These guys have a lot of partnerships going on with a lot of up and coming companies that they want to get a piece in, pre-ICO, pre-whatever it may be. These guys are involved with a lot of big names. They have official registration, experience management. These are things that are very hard to find in today's market. To have a team of professionals like that, branded packaging, you saw all of it. You saw the pen, you saw the coffee mug, partnership with the best conditions. These guys are here to be your friend. These guys are here to sit back and get you this huge profit that you've always been dreaming of but weren't able to get. They have work tools in your personal account and the popular Telegram Messenger. They have all of that. So it's just talking about back to the passive income, modern and well thought out design, user-friendly interface, and extended functionality. And again, it's convenient to work with any screen resolution. So they have all of that available for you. All you have to do is register. They have a call now number. It's not, they do have that bot on the bottom right side, but they also have the number. Some people don't like talking to bots, so they have that available for you right now. Now let's get straight into their services. That's what we're wondering about. What do they actually have? We spoke about how they are going to be giving you this 24% return, and here it's just going to be talking about how they're successfully developing various segments in the financial market. Again, guys, these guys are diversifying in case something goes left, something goes right. They have diversification. They're hedging against their own investors and in their own investments, so it's very awesome to see. You see here that they use smart financial instruments to provide the clients with a very large profit. You see here that they're involved in the Forex market, cryptocurrency, sports betting, the whole spiel. These guys are in every market. It's not just if cryptocurrency goes down, you lost everything. No, you did not. They're hedging. They're in every market for a reason. So here it's just talking about some of the reports. Again, guys, transparency, the fact that it's able to list all of these things for you, tell you exactly what's going on. It's very, very awesome to see. Here's just talking about how everything is much simpler than it sounds. You just go, what program do you want? You top up the balance and you see your funds grow. Here it's just talking about the investment program with Limpid Capital. They have the classic types of plans, the minimum and maximum deposits. Guys, look at it it on a per day basis, 0.8%, 24% over the month, 30 days period. If you want more than that, you put it in 50 days. That's where you're in 50% in the whole 50 days. 70 days, 84%. So you guys can see that they have different programs for different types of lengths. You want your money locked for only 30 days? Okay, amazing. You can still get the 24%. If you're more flexible, man, oh man, 240%, 360. You gotta be, this is unreal, guys. That's what I mean. Like, when I first saw this, I was like, nah, no way, this can't be real. But then I looked into them. I got a sense of it. I called some guys up. I called them. I went into their office to really see if these guys are very real, and definitely are. So you see here, they have a multi-currency expert for Forex markets, and this is the automatic trading on full passive, and this was the 10% to the deposit per month without risk. This is what we were talking about if you get involved with this, and they have a cryptocurrency robot coming very soon. We are very, very excited about that. We are actually looking into it. They have different types of insurance funds, and look at all of the payment systems that they actually have in place. We love to see that. Bitcoin, Litecoin, NX Money, Perfect Money. They work with Visa. So it's awesome to see, guys. Awesome to see that they're doing all of this at the same time. We love to see it. We love to see it. So guys, we talked about these documentations, how important it actually is to have these types of documentations. So we talked about these certifications, how important it is to have these certifications. So we look through, we see they have a certificate of registration in the Russian Federation. Guys, as I said, this is huge, and they actually attach it. They actually attach the entire document with their name on it, showing that it's signed, everything. And about registration with the tax authority, they're all there. These guys are so transparent. Who provides documents like this to this extent? It's awesome to see. And they have a UK certificate of registration as well. And guys, man, I've been calling some numbers up. How about I tell you, they are waiting for the completion of registration in the US. So they're about to get their registration in the US. Do you know how many doors that opens? The US is the heart of investment. They already got everything going in Russia and the UK. They're planning on expanding even further into Hong Kong, getting an office in New York. And all this New York talk starts with the registration that I heard they're in the final stages of getting. So it's coming very soon. I might even say soon enough as within the next month, within the next couple of days. So it's very awesome to see. So again, guys, these guys are all over the place. That's what we love to see, diversification. They're in cryptocurrency, they're in the Forex market, they're everywhere. They're in sports, so it's just awesome to see. Again, they're a professional team. They have experienced executive, marketers, financial analysts, accounting, IT specialists. So these guys are all over the place. They have a full back-end team that's willing to do anything you need. They have a guy for sports analytics, accounting, IT specialist, business engineering. So it's very, very awesome to see, and they're able to give the name of these names. All of these guys have had a very extensive background in the field that they're in. You see Jonathan Stoke, we heard the man himself talk earlier on, and here it's just talking about more investment ideas. Again, guys, you don't actually need to look into this. You don't have to be an expert in investments or an expert in Forex. That takes too long. The market is too saturated, and you guys probably have things to do other than this. So why not just put your money with them, watch the profits grow, and just stick to your passion, stick to whatever else you're doing. Again, guys, they have a minimum investment of $20, as I mentioned in that field of the different programs that they have. So it's just awesome to see that they're able to get people involved for such a low fee. Usually funds that give this much of a return, they charge a lot more, because they're giving you this return. So it's like, why should anyone be able to join? But the fact that these guys are able to say $20, come, we'll make it happen for you, it's very awesome to see. So again, guys, you're probably wondering how this works, how this actually gets done, and they actually have a bot wire to manage the deposit and the payment order. So the fact that they're able to do all this for you at a click of a button, very easy to do, very easy to register, open your deposit up, give your information, very quick to do the KYC and get straight into the profits. And every 7 days, the yield on the deposit increases by 0.01%, giving you that unreal percentage that you see over here. And guys, please keep in mind, all of this is compounded. So that is one of the biggest things that we need to see. Let's talk about their affiliate program. Not only do you profit off the investment, but they also have an affiliate program for you. And it's a way of mutually beneficial cooperation without the company offering the product and partners who have the possibility to recommend it. So as I said, guys, you're there, you're making a lot of profits. You see your friends, they're not making as much money as you. Why would you not refer them? get paid off that, and you're also changing their life. You're creating a huge passive income for them. So just the way that it works, you just need to create a personal account. After registration, you have access to all promotional content with a personal affiliate link. And then from there, you attract new investors to your structure. The partner receives an affiliate reward to his or her account, and then you go from there. So just from putting your friends onto such an amazing idea, you'll actually get to profit as well. You guys can see these guys have a very generous affiliate program. We're going to be getting into it in just a moment. But the main picture of it is that the larger the structure turnover, the higher the commission rate and deeper the affiliate lines. So if you guys go, your partners get a total turnover of 100,000 or personal active deposit of 10,000. You receive a profitability for investors up to the 10 line. As you guys can see, the higher your turnover structures becomes, the more the active deposit becomes, and your level moves up. You guys can see this is exactly how it works, the percentage that you're getting based on whatever level that you're on. These are the two conditions for each level. So it's a very, very awesome type of platform, type of affiliate program. As you can see, the benefits are all over there. Let's talk about the bonus deposits. So here's just talking about, in addition to opening new lines, when you reach certain levels, you receive unique bonuses in the form of additional deposits for a term of 1 year with a daily profit of up to 1%. So from there, in addition to opening new lines, you're able to get additional benefit. Here's talking about the bonuses that you're able to get at whatever level you're on. 250 bonus, $500 bonus, $750 bonus, $1,000 bonus, and just look at these net profits. Look at these numbers just by getting involved with their affiliate program. We love to see it. The fact that they're able to create such a great affiliate system and go from there, it's amazing, guys. It truly is amazing. Again, guys, I don't talk about investment companies very often, but when I see a very awesome one that I need to speak about, I need to bring it to the people, to all of you. So again, Crypto Joker, aka Alex Cooper. This was a longer review today, but that's just because we love the project so much. Again, we're out, guys. Peace.